a lot of that oil gets recovered back into the machine tool itself. So not only are you going through fewer filters, but you're also not wasting some of that coolant that goes through the machine.
So I'm here with James from 39. And James, I want to know a little bit more about you and this company that you work for, because you've got a very innovative product.
Yes.
So what do you do for 39?
So I am the president of our U.S. division.
Okay.
So I lead all of North America, working with Brad to support getting the product into market and supporting our customers.
Okay. Well, that's really cool. So you mentioned that you're coming into the U.S. and that's an expansion for the market. So where is 39 based?
39 is based out of Stockholm, Sweden. We're a Swedish-based company. We manufacture out of there and sell all over the world.
So you've got delicious chocolates and really clean air. So what about 39 had you start working with them?
So I learned about their product about a year ago. I found it to be incredibly innovative in its space. Having been in the industrial environment for quite some time, manufacturing and whatnot, I mean, you see filters everywhere, and filters get dirty, and filters take a lot to change out. This system is definitely game-changing from what I've seen. I mean, the way the product works, our filter changes are fewer than you'd see at a normal cartridge environment. But it just really, it's unique in what it does.
Yeah, well, I've been in manufacturing 25 years, and the thing is with the filters in some of your competitor systems is they get expensive. And so the first thing I did when I was running a shop was I tried to reduce my operational expenses. So the fact that you guys change this, what makes it different?
So the technology using a centrifugal disc system helps get the oil out of the air. So a lot of that oil gets recovered back into the machine tool itself. So not only are you going through fewer filters, but you're also not wasting some of that coolant that goes through the machine.
So we get a little bit of, and we're going to have deep technical dives with you guys because I want to drill into this a little bit more. But what is one thing that surprised you now? You've been with the company how long?
7 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's one of the things that surprised you about the company since starting here?
The efficiency of the technology.
Really?
I mean, it's when you're in the industrial environment, it's often very dirty. And everywhere we have these machines, we've seen distinct change in the environment for the working folks on the machines. Floor getting cleaner, machines getting cleaner, happier folks. I mean, and as they start installing more of them in their shops, they generally get cleaner. That sustainability play that we have is really the thing that grabbed me when I learned about the company.
And these are all huge things that we want to bring more people into manufacturing. Cleaner environments, better for their health. These are all things that are going to help bring more people in, remove some of their fears that parents might have for their children getting into manufacturing. I think that's absolutely beautiful, man. So keep tuned to MTD CNC. We're going to be diving in deep with you and Brad and the whole rest of the team to learn more about the technology.
Absolutely.